What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your skinny boy Randy. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you. I love you. If no one told you today, I love you. I love you. Okay? Okay. So, just going to give you an update on the Skinny Boy Farms. Yes, someone said they like the name, the Skinny Boy Farms. Shout out to all my subscribers, everybody who leaves a comment and that's not even a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, please click the like and subscribe button, you guys. It always helps to get a like and subscribe. You can thumbs up, thumbs down, just not to do middle fingers if you can help it. Okay, okay. So, these are some of our peppers. They're taking well to their bucket. These are some things you can grow right now, you guys. Look at the strawberries. And this is on the deck. Some more peppers we planted. You know what? God has a way of doing his own thing. I've tried to grow carrots for a few years. Never could get any carrots. Now carrots are just falling everywhere, all over the place. I love this one though. Look, you guys. She's doing so good. Look at that carrot all the way down in there. It's huge. It's huge. It's about almost that time to get her out. These are the last of our container seedlings. More lettuce growing over here, constantly growing, you guys. I have so much lettuce I don't know what to do with. This is a huge cucumber, just growing in a pot. Some things grew in that pot, some things didn't. Down here on the side of the house, some seedlings must have flew over and fell. Looks like, I don't know what that is, some cabbage or not sure, but look at all these carrots. Never could get carrots to grow. Drop some seeds and let them go, and they seem to love this area. So that gives us a good sign, you guys. Carrots love this soil, and they grew fairly quickly. I'm really shocked. Guess what I did, you guys? I moved my greenhouse inside of my garage, and look at the space it left behind. Isn't that just a beautiful, awesome, ready-made garden? Because remember, I had plastic on the bottom of my greenhouse, black plastic. And it's the plastic that goes under the house. Yeah, just got blessed with that. When I moved into this house, they left a whole row behind, told me I could use it, and I did. But look, the soil looks so rich and moist. It's been sunny today, but if you look down in there, you can see where the sun hadn't gotten to it. Yeah, beautiful, right? I don't know if I'm gonna use it or if I want my grass back. Okay, okay. So over here, let's take a look at what's going on in one of our beds. This pepper is doing awesome. Awesome. I have to cut this lettuce, you guys. There's so much lettuce. I have more lettuce than I can deal with. I'm gonna be giving some to my neighbors. So much lettuce. Look at all these carrots. Won't he do it? Hallelujah! Yeah, you guys. So these are things that you can grow in March, February, March, April, going into May. Tomatoes still kicking. Yeah, you guys, we did that, right? And this is one of our beds that we got coming. And look at over here. Some of these are starting to bolt and flower. Look at all this lettuce. Look how beautiful some of it is. All types. It's a mixed variety. Beautiful. And then over here, some of it is trying to actually make a whole head. This is like the iceberg lettuce. And it will make a whole head of lettuce if you let it grow that long. So we're going to let some of them just grow all the way up and see. Okay, you guys? Okay. Tomatoes. More radish that need to be picked. That one split open, got too big. Oh, there's another one. Look at that, you guys. Constantly harvesting. See when that radish pops open like that? Too much water because it rained. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry for moving the camera. Oh, wow. Look at this one. Yep. This is all out of the Baker Creek Easter Basket collection of radish. These, you guys. So, I'm not going to be harvesting everything today. Just wanted to give you an update. That's Cousin Terry's garden. And over here, remember the bed we made? Tons of things coming up. We have a variety going on over here. I like to plant a whole lot of different things. And then when they come up, you can separate how you like. Some more beds I need to clean out. I just put bricks up, you guys. Yep. I have a whole nother planting area. And one more over here that I need to clean out. You guys, I still have a lot of work to do. Whole lot of work to do. Okay. So that's all I wanted to show you. I hope you're having a blessed growing process.